Alright, we're at the Mount Vernon Square Metro Station in Washington, D.C. And we have something very rare over here. It's an elevator, but not just any elevator. It has the vandal-resistant U.S. fixtures. Now, most of the original elevators in the older stations were installed by U.S. However, most of them have been modernized. The elevator still works. See, I don't see any ding thing. Oh, it's in there. Every time you press the button, it dings. I can tell you right now, this elevator doesn't run very much. Door close button apparently does not work. This is definitely more of an original Metro elevator. This station actually has two elevators that goes between the train level and the mezzanine level, so there's really no reason to modernize this one. And of course, these very rare vandal-resistant U.S. fixtures. It does have a telephone. I do like those doors. And there it goes, and watch it going up. It's got an epic motor. And there it goes. And there's the ingrown hydraulic ram. Okay, that'll be it.
Doors opening. Step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car. This is a Green Line train to Greenbelt. The next stop is Shaw. Power hidden. Step back. Doors closing.